Hey guys, just working on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We had a transmission cooler leak. We took it to the dealership. They wanted $3,000 to replace the transmission cooler, which has the integrated AC condenser with it. As you can tell, it was leaking up from this area here. I declined their service, and we bought a MISHIMOTO transmission cooler. Here's the part number here. We bought this, unhooked the old transmission cooler here, and we are running our lines this direction here. I am going to change the filter on this pan and put some new fluid in it. I did put the Dorman transmission pan on here, so we can change the filter. Yeah, so we got that taken apart all together with the MISHIMOTO, the transmission fluid, the 8 and 9 speed ATF from MOPAR. I think it was about $350, 8 9 speed ATF. Then we got the replacement filter Dorman with the aftermarket pan. So instead of paying the $3,000 from the dealership, we'll pay $350 and do it ourselves. I'll let you know how it turns out. Thank you.